A month in the Islamic calendar is either 29 or 30 days. If you can see the new crescent on the 29th, it will have 29 days. If you cannot, it will have 30 days. If you want to see the new crescent, this is what to do. Step 1. Go to a place with a clear view of the sunset. This is because the new crescent will always appear near the sunset. Step 2. Locate and mark exactly where the sun is setting. Step 3. Wait for it to darken, perhaps around half an hour, and keep looking for the new crescent. If the moon is visible, it will appear usually no more than around 25 degrees to the left of the sunset. That's around 1 handspan, or you can measure that using a compass. Alhamdulillah, you've sighted the moon, and now you can recite the dua.